Hello everyone! In that previous video, I explained how to make a request politely in a formal way. Today, in this video, I will talk and explain about how to make requests to your family, friends, and close ones by using a less formal way. My name is Curie. I am a Mandarin teacher. My channel is focused on teaching Mandarin as a foreign language and sharing some of the grammar issues that Mandarin learners will face. The learning objective of this video is to be able to make polite requests in a less formal way. Here are some other ways to start making requests that are still polite, but in a less formal way. First of all, the word we need to pay attention to is 可以. Read after me again. 可以. It is often translated as can, and it is best seen as may to emphasize the permissive aspect. 可以 is an auxiliary verb used primarily to express permission. If you would like to ask for permission or make a request, let's look at the structure below. It doesn't seem to be rude, even without saying please. It is still polite, just less formal. 你可不可以 Verb phrase. 你可以 Verb phrase. 吗 Both structures have the same meaning. Could you? 吗 is a question particle for yes or no question. For example, 你可不可以帮我 Could you help me? 你可不可以开门 Could you open the door? 你可以坐好吗 For this sentence have two meanings. First one, can you sit properly? Another one, can you sit still? 我可以扫你的微信吗 Can I scan your WeChat? I would like to explain 扫 this word. 扫 is the short form of 扫描 means to scan. 你的 means your. No doubt over here, 微信 means WeChat. 微信 WeChat, more than just a great messaging and social app. It's a way of life that over 1 billion users worldwide can't live without, especially in China. If you are trying to get someone's WeChat contact, then the following sentence would be much more appropriate. 我可以要你的微信吗 Can I have your WeChat? 要 means want. Why do I need to teach this sentence? Because most of my friends who don't speak Mandarin have asked me how to say it. And they all look at me with a special look. The look which is,
You know? I know you know. I know you know about this, why I asking this.
but actually, do I really know? Probably. Another way to make requests politely, but in a less formal way, is using 麻烦你. Read after me again. 麻烦你. If you check 麻烦 in the dictionary, it literally means trouble. 麻烦你 means sorry to trouble you. Let's look at the sentence structure. 麻烦你 Could I trouble you too? Or would you kindly? We place 麻烦你 in front of the sentence. I will use these examples to explain it to you so you will understand it a little bit better. For example, 麻烦你帮我关门 Could I trouble you to close the door for me, please? 麻烦你帮我接电话 Could I trouble you to answer the phone for me, please? 麻烦你给我一杯水 Would you kindly give me a glass of water? Please read after me all these 3 sentences to practice for your reading. 麻烦你帮我关门麻烦你帮我接电话麻烦你给我一杯水 Although the sentence 麻烦你 is a declarative sentence, it actually is to make a request. There are other ways to make requests politely, but I only focus to explain these 2. 你可不可以 and 麻烦你 because these 2 are the ones we use more often. After watching this video, I have some questions for you to check your understanding. Could you please translate these 3 sentences below? 麻烦你关门你可不可以给我一杯水你可不可以帮我接电话 I will share the answers in my next video. Thanks for watching! If you have any doubts, please let me know your feedback and suggestions. I will try my best to help you. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share, and most important, please subscribe my channel. Every week, I will upload a video about Mandarin.